Hi everyone. Today's topic is past simple, another tense that is important in terms of talking about the past, and it is the very basic one. So it is used to describe actions that occurred at a specific time in the past. As befits the name, it's a past tense, so it's quite understandable to be used in the past. We watched a movie yesterday. Past simple time adverbs or time expressions are like yesterday, last expressions, ago expressions, in 1999, when I was a child, those days, and that day. These are all past simple expressions. Past simple can also be used with expressions that normally refer to the present. For example, now. We use the now to talk about actions that give us present times. But we can even use now to talk about actions that are in the past. So here, what matters is that the action is in the past. Even 1 minute ago is considered the past, so the past simple tense can well be used. I met your friend Arthur this morning. I informed them about the event today. She was still with her friends. I was now ready to go. Another usage of past simple is that it is used to describe sequential or simultaneous events in the past. He left the army when the war finished. So in this context, we do not have to specify past simple with time adverbials. So if you start the sentence in the past, you can continue with past simple, like the child came into the kitchen, opened the refrigerator, and started to eat whatever he found. So the third rule goes like, it is used for telling stories. It's quite understandable again, since it's a past simple tense. Once upon a time, there was a girl living in the woods. Since there was no action, was where adverbial verb, helping verb was used here. And that's all for past simple. So the important thing about past simple is that you have to have your specified time in the past in order to differentiate it from present perfect, because in present perfect, it is also an action that happened in the past, but the time is not specified. But here, time is specified. So in the next video, I will be giving an exercise about the differences between past simple and present perfect. Stay tuned.